Hello, welcome back to Rob's Homemade. We are in Hales Owen at Stephen Heap's house. We are here to cook some lovely curries for you guys to see, and one of the main things we are going to do is show you how to make a base gravy. I've never made a base gravy. Stephen's going to teach me the basics of a base gravy and how it's done, so you can keep it in your fridge, keep it in your freezer, so when you want to make a curry, it's quick, it's simple, easy. So let's get in the kitchen and make that base gravy. But we're also going to be doing a couple of curries and a dal, I think he said, but we'll get onto those later. But first, let's get onto this base curry. See you in the kitchen, guys.
Hi, I'm going to make a wonderful British Indian restaurant style base gravy today. We've got 1 leek, 3 large onions and 1 little onion there, because that's what I had. We've got some white cabbage, we've got a couple of carrots, we've got a green pepper, some coriander stalk, and to that I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, about a chef's spoon of Taste of India mixed powder. Get over to Taste of India and buy that on eBay, and 500 mils of passata. Then onto that I'm just going to fill the pan with some water, just enough to cover the ingredients. All the ingredients are in the description of the video. So if you're using a pressure cooker, you can be confident that your ingredients aren't going to dry out. You need that on a medium-low heat, on with the lid of the pressure cooker, and we're going to let that come to a boil. Once it does, 45 minutes on a very low simmer. If you're not using a pressure cooker, about an hour and a half.
Right guys, that is how you make a base gravy, Stephen Heap style. Looking good, smells amazing. So now we are going to make a chicken korma using that base gravy. So here goes guys, happy days. That will be at the next video. Sorry, teased you a little bit there. That's the base gravy video. So next we will be making chicken korma in the next one. See you all very, very soon.